Welcome to the Explainer. If you're currently feeling trapped by the limitations of your standard commercial HR platform, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're unpacking Sentrifugo. It's a highly customizable open source alternative to that rigid commercial HR software you might be used to. So let's kick things off and just ask a pretty crucial question right out of the gate. Does your HR platform actually fit your company? Because for a whole lot of growing organizations, the honest answer is an exhausting, definitive no. Here's our quick roadmap for today. We'll cover the rigid HR problem, meet Sentrifugo, look at real-world customization, compare costs, examine limitations and security, and finally, give you the final verdict. Section 1. The rigid HR problem, when one size doesn't fit all. Let's talk about why growing organizations end up so incredibly frustrated with standard tools. Here's the core issue, right? As your business scales up, your internal workflows become highly specific. You develop these unique approval hierarchies for things like leave requests or expense reports or onboarding. But standard commercial HR platforms usually take this one-size-fits-all approach. They effectively force you to take your hard-earned internal processes and cram them into their software constraints. It's like fitting a square peg into a round hole. And if you want to break out of that box, well, they usually charge a massive premium just to unlock the configuration tools you actually need. Or honestly worse, they just lack the configuration control for complex hierarchies altogether. There's just no way to do it. Moving on to Section 2, meet Sentrifugo, flexibility first. What's really fascinating about this platform is its origin story. Sentrifugo was built from the ground up right around 2013 by an IT services company called Bright Sourcing, and they built it specifically to solve that exact rigidity problem we just talked about. Its entire identity revolves around what's called a modular architecture. Now, what does that actually mean for you? It means you can enable, disable, and deeply configure very specific modules to match your exact internal needs. It's like building blocks. You get to tailor the platform to your actual processes rather than the other way around. And you're getting all the heavy hitters you'd expect here. You've got employee self-service portals where your staff can jump in and update their own profiles. You've got highly configurable approval workflows, fully customizable performance appraisal tools, and even complete recruitment pipelines with structured exit management. But here is the major, massive difference. It is completely free to download without any licensing restrictions whatsoever. It literally hands you the keys to the kingdom when it comes to configuration. And I have to mention this because it's a real gem in this tier of software: native asset management. You can actually track company laptops, phones, and other equipment assigned to your employees right alongside their standard HR records. With a lot of the competing platforms out there, you'd have to buy a completely separate add-on or a third-party tool just to do that. All right, Section 3, real-world customization, Sentrifugal in action. Let's look at how this actually plays out for real teams on the ground. Picture a mid-sized organization that is just drowning in a highly complex, multi-level approval hierarchy for their leave requests. Instead of just throwing their hands up and settling for standard, rigid workflows, this organization used Sentrifugo to configure approval chains that exactly mirrored their real-world management structure. It even allowed for distinct variations between different departments. Plus, they utilized that built-in asset management feature we just talked about to track their company laptops, which allowed them to entirely scrap their old, clunky spreadsheet system. The big takeaway from that scenario is independence. The HR team loved the ability to tweak these approval structures completely independently as their company evolved. They achieved precise matching of their hierarchies. And the best part? They didn't have to call up an IT developer to write custom code for every single minor workflow adjustment. Which brings us to Section 4, costs and comparisons, the bottom line. So, how does this actually stack up financially against the industry heavyweights? Well, your software licensing cost with Sentrifugo is exactly zero. You are simply not paying for the software itself. To really contextualize that $0 license, think about standard commercial platforms like Zenefits. They typically charge anywhere from $8 to $20 per employee per month, depending on what feature tier you're on. So naturally, as you hire more people, your monthly bill absolutely skyrockets. But with Sentrifugo, because it is self-hosted on standard PHP and MySQL architecture, you are just paying for your own server hosting. And that generally runs a flat $20 to $40 a month total, totally regardless of your employee count. If you crunch the numbers, the annual savings here can be absolutely massive for a growing company. But let's be impartial here. Section 5, limitations and security, the trade-offs. Yes, you save a tremendous amount of money. And yes, you gain incredible flexibility. But there is no such thing as a free lunch. There are trade-offs. If we compare it to another major open source player, like Orange HRM, you definitely get deeper and more flexible workflow customization with Sentrifugo. However, you are trading away the safety net of a massive troubleshooting community. Sentrifugo just has a smaller ecosystem, which means fewer third-party plugins and fewer tutorials online. Also, Sentrifugo's development activity and release cadence have been a bit less consistent recently when you compare it to Orange HRM's very steady updates. It's also worth pointing out that both of these platforms offer only basic payroll functionality. So if you've got complex payroll needs, you are for sure still going to need an external dedicated tool. And we absolutely have to talk about security. Because you are self-hosting this platform, your sensitive employee data is wonderfully private. It stays entirely within your own infrastructure, and it's protected by highly configurable role-based access permissions. But on the flip side, that means the heavy responsibility of regular data backups and ongoing security patching rest entirely on your own IT team or your hosting partner. There's no official managed cloud version you can just pay to handle this for you. Okay, Section 6, the final verdict. Is it right for you? If you do decide to implement the software, and most organizations manage to complete this in about 4 to 6 weeks, here is the absolute critical sequence you need to follow. Step 1 is the most important by far. Map out your organization's exact approval hierarchy first, way before you ever touch the software. Because Sentrifugo is so incredibly flexible, upfront planning is literally the make or break moment. Then, Step 2, configure your workflow rules. Only then do you move to Step 3 and import your employee CSV data, and obviously verify everything carefully given how sensitive HR records are. Finally, Step 4, run your old and new systems in parallel for a brief period. You just want to ensure your custom workflows are routing exactly the way you planned. So, who is this really for? Ultimately, Sentrifugo is the undeniable pick for organizations that genuinely need non-standard HR processes and deep workflow configuration. It's ideal if you want built-in asset tracking without paying extra for add-ons, and it's great if you want ultimate internal control. But if you're looking for plug-and-play third-party integrations and immediate community troubleshooting, you'll probably want to look elsewhere. By the way, make sure you stick around for our next explainer. We'll be diving into HumWeb, which is another excellent free option, but one built very specifically with the needs of small teams in mind. I want to leave you with this one thought to chew on. Think about your current HR bottlenecks and those annoying workarounds your team has to use every single day. Are you willing to trade a massive troubleshooting community for absolute zero-cost workflow flexibility? Ask yourself, is it finally time to stop forcing your business to fit the software and instead make the software fit your business?